Hello everyone, today I'll show you how you can save Chatgpt conversations on your mobile. Let's start. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone. Open your Chatgpt app. You can ask whatever you want to know. I have a recorded conversation on the screen right now. Tap and hold your finger on the screen. You'll see an options menu and select copy. And turn off your screen and open your notes. Tap the screen and choose paste. And on the upper right corner, you'll see a send option with the arrow sign. Let's click it. Scroll down the menu and click print. You'll see the transcript in the PDF format at the bottom of the screen. Tap and hold your finger to this page and the page will open. In the lower left corner of the screen, there's a send option again with the arrow sign. Click Save to Files. You'll see Save button on the upper right corner. Now turn to your Files menu and you'll see the conversation as a PDF format on your recent files. Thanks for watching and please hit like and subscribe to show your support.